Hey there, fellow adventurers. Planning your next trip and want to make it a breeze? You've come to the right place. In this short video, we'll share some essential travel preparation tips to ensure you have an unforgettable journey. Let's get started. Destination research. The first step in your travel preparation is researching your destination thoroughly. Get to know the country's culture, customs, and local traditions. Familiarize yourself with the top attractions you want to visit and create a rough itinerary. Travel documents. Don't forget your travel documents. Check your passport's expiration date and ensure it's valid for at least 6 months after your planned return date. Verify whether you need a visa or any additional permits for your destination. Health and vaccinations. Your health is essential, especially during travel. Schedule a visit to your healthcare provider to discuss necessary vaccinations and any health precautions for your destination. Packing smart. The art of packing. Pack light, and only bring the essentials. Roll your clothes to save space, and don't forget important items like chargers, travel adapters, and a reusable water bottle. Safety tips. Safety first. Keep your valuables secure in a money belt or a locked bag. Make copies of your travel documents and share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. Money matters. Let's talk money. Inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid any issues with your cards abroad. Also, carry a mix of cash and cards for flexibility. Learn basic phrases. A little effort goes a long way. Learn some basic phrases in the local language to show respect and connect with the locals. They'll appreciate your effort. And there you have it. Follow these travel preparation tips, and you'll be all set for an amazing adventure. Remember, preparation is the key to a stress-free and enjoyable trip. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Happy travels, everyone.